Lavender bath salt benefits with source. Benefits: ease-stress and relax the body, muscle pain relief, smoothing your skin. EO products, bath salt and soak, French lavender. Description: with vitamin E, pink Himalayan salt crystals, and California sea salt. USDA Organic. Be relaxed. Certified organic by CCOF. Cruelty-free. GMO-free. Certified gluten-free. Certified B Corporation. Suggested use: as you breathe in a sense of pure essential oils, add about 4 ounces of salt soaked to hot, running water. Let the hot water ease your tension. Other ingredients: sodium chloride, California sea salt, Himalayan pink salt, EO essential oil blend, organic lavandula angustifolia, lavender oil, organic lavandula hybrida oil, tocopherol. Made with organic ingredients, B Corporation certified. Phthalate-free. Synthetic fragrance-free. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.